Hello friends. Welcome to Autorobo Innovations. In this video, we are going to see how to activate license on EcoStruxure Machine Expert Basic. Step 1. Open the software EcoStruxure Machine Expert Basic. This page will appear on opening up the software. Step 2. Click on the Register button. It will redirect you to the user authentication where you have to register your email. Make sure to have an internet connection. Step 3. Type your email and then click Next. Step 4. Type your first name, last name, company name, business type, area of focus, industry segment, and address. Then click on Register. You will receive confirmation mail on your given email. Just go to your email box and confirm. Step 5. Now, log in with the same email address and click on Next. Type the password and click on Login. It will activate the license. After successfully activating the license, click on Finish. In this way, you will be able to activate the license key on EcoStruxure Machine Expert Basic.